Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to a brand new workout routine designed to challenge your strength and endurance. Today, we're introducing Power Burst, an all-inclusive routine targeting your core, arms, and legs. Regardless of your fitness level, Power Burst offers modifications to ensure a beneficial and safe workout. Expect improved strength, flexibility, and a boost in your energy levels. By the end of this routine, you'll feel stronger, more flexible, and full of energy. Let's get started. Before we dive into the main workout, it's crucial to warm up our bodies properly. A warm-up is like a gentle alarm clock for your muscles, waking them up and preparing them for the workout ahead. It increases blood flow, loosens up your joints, and reduces the chance of injury. Let's start with some light jogging on the spot. Aim for about a minute, maintaining a steady rhythm. Remember to keep your back straight and your movements smooth. Next, we'll do some arm circles. Extend your arms out to your sides and make small circles in the air, gradually increasing the size. Do this for about 30 seconds, then reverse the direction. Finally, let's do some dynamic stretches. Try leg swings or walking lunges, alternating each leg for a total of 10 repetitions. These exercises are not just for warming up, they also improve your flexibility and coordination, which will benefit your overall workout. Great job on completing the warm-up. Now your muscles are ready for the main workout. Our first exercise is a classic, the squat, a fantastic full-body exercise that mainly targets your lower body. Now let's dive into the details. Firstly, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Your toes should point forward or slightly outwards. Now imagine you're about to sit on a chair behind you. Push your hips back and bend your knees, lowering your body as far as comfort allows. Keep your chest upright and your eyes focused straight ahead. Your knees should be directly over your ankles, forming a right angle. This is your squat position. To rise, push through your heels and return to the standing position. That's 1 repetition. For this exercise, we're aiming for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Take a breather for a minute between each set. Now, let's talk variations. If you're new to squats or have some physical limitations, don't worry, you can make modifications. Try half squats. Instead of lowering your body all the way, go only halfway down. This reduces stress on your knees and is an excellent starting point. For those of you who wish to amp up the challenge, you might want to try jump squats. They're just like regular squats, but with a jump. As you rise from the squat position, push off your feet and jump as high as you can. When you land, smoothly transition into the next squat. Remember though, it's not about how high you jump or how low you squat. It's about maintaining the proper form and technique. The goal is to engage and strengthen your muscles, not strain them. So always listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Don't rush through the movement. Take your time to feel every muscle working, from your glutes and hamstrings to your quads and calves. Every repetition should be a mindful engagement of your lower body. Well done on completing the squats. Remember, it's not about speed, but about maintaining good form. Scene script. Next up, we have push-ups. They are great for building upper body strength. Push-ups are one of the most efficient bodyweight movements you can do. They target your arms, chest, and core, serving as a whole body exercise. But to reap these benefits, proper form and technique are crucial. So let's break it down step by step. Firstly, position your hands shoulder width apart or slightly wider. When you're in the up position, you should be supporting yourself on your hands and toes, body forming a straight line from head to heels. This is your starting position. Now engage your core and lower your body, keeping your back flat and eyes focused about 3 feet in front of you to maintain a neutral neck. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor. Then, keeping your body tight, push your body back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. For beginners, aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, taking a 45 seconds to 1 minute break between each set. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of reps and decrease the rest time. Remember, it's not about how many you can do, but about performing each one with correct form. If you're new to fitness or have any physical limitations, don't worry. There are modifications you can make. A common one is the knee push-up. Instead of being on your toes, drop to your knees. This takes some weight off your upper body, but still allows you to build strength. Another modification is wall push-ups, where you stand arm's length from a wall, lean forward, and push your body away from the wall. Remember, push-ups are a challenging exercise. It's okay if you can't do many at first. What matters is that you're giving it your best and not compromising on form. With time and consistency, you'll see progress. Great work on those push-ups. Remember, consistency is key in fitness. Our final exercise for today is the plank. It's a fantastic core exercise. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty details of how to perform a perfect plank. First, start by getting into a push-up position. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, supporting your body weight. Extend your legs out behind you, balancing on the balls of your feet. Your body should form a straight line from the top of your head to your heels. This is your starting position. Now the key element in a plank is maintaining this straight line throughout the exercise. It's all about stability and control. Keep your back flat and avoid sagging your hips or raising your buttocks. This is a common mistake and it can lead to back problems. So be mindful of your form. Engage your core muscles. This means drawing your belly button in towards your spine. Imagine you're wearing a pair of tight jeans you're trying to zip up. That's how engaged your core should be. Now, for the duration. A good starting point is 20 seconds. If you're a beginner, don't worry if you can't hold it for that long. It's not about how long you can hold it, but about maintaining the correct form for as long as possible. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the time. For those who need a modification, you can perform a plank on your knees instead of on your toes. This reduces the amount of body weight you're supporting, making the exercise a bit easier. But remember, even in this modified version, keeping a straight line from your head to your knees is essential. And for the fitness enthusiasts who want an extra challenge, try lifting one leg off the ground while maintaining your plank. This adds an extra element of balance and core strength to the exercise. Fantastic effort on the plank. Remember, the plank is all about endurance, not speed. Now that we have completed the main workout, it's time for a cool down. Cooling down is just as crucial as the workout itself. It allows your heart rate and breathing to gradually return to normal and helps prevent muscle stiffness and soreness. So, let's make sure we do this right. First, let's start with some light jogging in place. This will help flush out the lactic acid that causes muscle fatigue and soreness. Maintain a slow, steady pace for about 2 minutes. Remember to keep your posture upright and your movements gentle. Next, we'll move on to stretching. Start with a forward bend, reaching for your toes. Hold this for around 30 seconds. This stretch is excellent for your hamstrings and lower back. Then, gently move on to a quad stretch. Stand on one leg, grab the ankle of your other leg, and gently pull it towards your buttocks. Hold this for another 30 seconds and then switch legs. This stretch targets your quadriceps, the large muscles on the front of your thighs. Lastly, let's finish with some deep breathing. Stand tall, close your eyes and take a deep breath in, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this for about a minute. Deep breathing helps to lower your heart rate and promotes relaxation. Great job today, everyone. Remember, consistency is key in fitness. Stick with it, and you'll see results. Until next time, stay strong and healthy.